Meaning of going over.
Going over.
Going over.
Going over.
Going over. The phrase going over can have a few different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a thorough examination or inspection of something, such as giving a car a thorough checkup before a long road trip. It can also refer to a scolding or reprimand, as in getting a going over from a teacher or boss for poor performance. In essence, it denotes a comprehensive and often critical evaluation of a person, object, or situation. The outcome of a going over can range from positive feedback and approval to punishment or constructive feedback for improvement.